BFS Deck. Formwork is a modular slab formwork and shoring system developed by BFS Industries, designed to deliver high safety, efficiency, and productivity in concrete construction. The system consists of modular panels with widths of 1.20 meters and panel lengths of 1.60, 1.80 meters and above. The panels are manufactured from bent steel sheet components with perimeter elements made of 1.5 millimeters. Thick steel sheets and stiffener elements installed perpendicular to the panel length, made of 1.25 millimeters thick steel sheets. All components are produced at the BFS factory and are finished with galvanized surface protection. Panel connections are made using 8 millimeter bolts, with main elements fixed by 3 bolts and secondary elements by 2 bolts, ensuring fast, accurate, and secure assembly. At each panel corner, special cast components are installed to connect the panels and transfer loads to the drophead props, forming the complete slab formwork system. The system is supported by vertical steel props, while the panels, finished with a plywood facing, create the concrete slab form. A key advantage of the BFS Deck formwork system is its early stripping mechanism. By releasing the drop head, panels can be removed and lowered while the props remain in place beneath the slab, allowing the concrete to gain sufficient strength depending on ambient temperature conditions. This feature enables the use of one set of panels with multiple sets of props, significantly increasing productivity. By using 2 sets of props with 1 set of panels, execution speed can be doubled, reducing construction time, labor demand, and overall project cost. BFS Deck formwork offers a safe, efficient, and cost-effective solution for modern concrete slab construction.
BFS Deck Formwork.